Hello, I'm Luca Imesi. I'm a filmmaker, DaVinci Resolve certified trainer. In this tutorial I want to show you how to use proxy files. Generated proxy in DaVinci is very easy, and now see 3 ways to do it. So the first one is the proxy generated by the camera. If I go here, I have this folder called Proxy Workflow, and inside I have my original camera file, and here I have a proxy generated inside the camera. So if I import my footage, I can import in the media pool, but I can import directly to the edit page. You can see that I have these 2 clips that are shot in S-Log3. If I highlight these 2 clips and I create a new timeline using selected clips, I can create a timeline with these 2 clips. Now, if I highlight these 2 clips and I choose to relink proxy media and I go to my folder, I go inside Proxy FX3 and I click Open, and you can see now that my thumbnails here have the proxy label on it. If I go here, we can switch between proxies and camera original. Proxies generated by the camera have a lot that I used inside the camera. And this is a kind of limitation that we have inside the Sony camera for now, that the proxies generated inside the camera have the LUT embedded on. If you want the proxies without the LUT, you have to shoot in S-Log3 without a preview in LUT. What is the advantage of generating proxy inside the camera? The advantage is that you don't have to generate the proxies later with a computer, so you don't waste time because you have already the proxies generated. Let's see another way to do it, and with the other 2 methods I can have the proxy completely identical to the camera originals. Let's see the other method. First, we see the method to generate proxies inside DaVinci Resolve. I select both files and I choose Generate Proxy Media. In this way, you can see that now they have the label proxy, and if I switch to camera file, they are completely identical. And if we go here, we can see that now inside my footage I have a folder called proxy, and this is the proxy generated by DaVinci Resolve, where I can decide the destination of this proxy and the format and the size. Here on project settings, I go to master settings, and if I scroll down, I have the proxy media resolution, and in my case is half the size of the original camera files. If I choose automatically, it keeps the format of the timeline, the resolution of the timeline. I usually keep half for my workflow, and here I can decide the format. In my case is Apple ProRes 422 proxy. If I go to DaVinci Resolve Preferences, on System Media Storage, here I can decide the location of my proxy. I can decide to put the proxy subfolder in media file location, that is my choice, or I can decide to use the project settings. And if I choose Ask when creating, it opens up a window and I can decide where to put the proxy. So let's see the third method. The third method is using Blackmagic Proxy Generator, that is a software that it comes with Resolve. So I open Blackmagic Proxy Generator, and when I open it, I have to set up the watch folder. I decide my watch folder, that is footage, and then I choose the format. In this case, I can't choose the resolution. I can choose only the format. This one actually is ProRes 422 proxy. It's incorrect here. They have to change it. It says 422 10-bit, but it's Apple ProRes proxy. So I choose this one and I click Start. And you can see now that it generates the proxy folder inside the footage folder, and it relinks the file automatically. Blackmagic Proxy Generators is very handy because if you have a lot of files, you can render the files externally and you keep working in Resolve. Hope this tutorial is useful. Thank you very much. Ciao.